How to remove black bars on stretch resolutions. So if you're actually playing a game and you have this black bars right here with this not really good option for display, then this video is for you. So in order to fix this black bars that you can see right here on your resolution, you can head over right here into your search bar and search in here for settings. So once you have searched in here for settings, head over and open that. And it should be able to open the settings that you currently have. As of right now, I'm currently on the Windows 11, so it will display the Windows 11 layout for the settings. Now, make sure to head over to System and then click on Display right here. Once you have clicked on your display settings, head over and make sure to click on the display that you're currently playing that game. So if you have two displays, they will appear right here. If you have three displays, they will appear right here. So just choose which display you're actually wanting to edit. So example, in this case, let's choose one. And then from this case, just scroll down until you can see these options that you can see right there. Under that is the related settings. Click on advanced display and you can see it's right there. You can see that we can actually choose in here refresh rate. So it will actually use the default refresh rates for this one. So expand this and make sure to choose the highest hertz available to you. Click on choose right there and this will refresh and you should be able to see in here now the actual hertz. You can keep the changes or you can revert from that. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.